Hey, Claude Pollon here, Affiliate Starting Line. Welcome. I'm going to be starting a video series on Google Plus, which is the Google social network site. It's actually more than just a social network. It's really the hub of the Google ecosystem that you'll be using. And the way you find it is if you're logged into your Google account, up on the upper right-hand corner nav bar here, you'll see a plus and your name. Now, if you're not a Google Plus member yet, then you will see a plus and you. And you might want to click that, and you can go through a very simple process to create a Google Plus account. But if I click on your Google Plus name once you set up your account, what I want to take a look at is the graphic interface. Let's start with finding out where the on button is, so to speak. So when you look at Google Plus, there are four areas of the screen, 5 areas, I guess. First area is up here, the main bar across the top of the Google Plus display. And it's got the Google Plus logo, which is active. If you click it, it takes you to your Google Plus feed, which is where I am now. So I just clicked it. So here's my feed. Then there's a search box, so you can search for people. Google Plus pages will take that, or posts, information. It's just like a search box that you would normally use, except that it works in the Google Plus environment. Then on the right-hand side is your link to your feed. Here is the display of all the Google products available. This is the notification bell. Anytime you have a notification that somebody has done something on one of your Google products, this will light up red, and you'll have a number by the number of notifications you have. And then there's a share button here. If I click it, I can input information, the photos, a link, a video, an event, write a comment, and then select which circles I want to share it with, or add people. In other words, select who I want to have in it. If I click that icon here, it'll help me browse people in case I want to share with them. That's what that icon does. And then eventually I can click and share whatever. So that's this main nav bar. The point here is, in the video, is just to show you the different areas. Under the home button here, there's a left-hand sidebar. Now again, this is where a lot of the functionality of the software can be found. This is where you're going to go when you're going to want to do different things in Google+. Right now, at the home is my feed. And my feed is showing me all of the posts that people in the circles that I've created have put up. And I'm selected all here, so it's showing a sampling from all my different circles that I've got selected. So I have a family circle, friends, Successimo, and a bunch of different circles that I've created along the way. That's what this feed is here. If I go to my profile, this is my personal profile on Google+. If you type in my name, this is what you're going to come to. So there's a header here, and then down here there's another nav bar, and we'll go through this in a later post. The About part of this nav bar is very important. This is where you put all of the information about yourself, the type of information that it asks for, and this is going to create the fundamental profile that Google will have of you in your Google ecosystem. So this is going to be very important, but that's not the point of this video. People, this shows the number of people that are in my circles, connections that I have. It's suggesting people. So there's a little bit of everything in here. I can find people, I can see that the people who have me in their circles. I can see my circles. I can discover things. So the people tab is important to find the people and the connections and the people you're having conversations with. Photos, this is exactly what it says. My Picasa photos are all in here. Communities, these are communities that you will join and select, and then you can come and add and participate in them. Events, these are events that you've signed up for. There are plenty of Hangouts that take place that are very interesting. Hangouts is, if you're Skype, if you've ever used Skype, this is the Google Plus version of Skype. There are different types of Hangouts, but this is interactive, video-based, audio-based conversations with people, organizations, groups. There are different ways to use this. Pages. These are specific business-related pages that you will create within your Google Plus account. Now, they're different than the personal account that you create that runs feeds. This is more business-oriented and brand-oriented than your personal feed, and we'll get into the distinction between those two in a later video. Local will display local information pertaining to where you have set up shop in the world. So whatever address you have entered into your Google profile, it will then go and find local resources that you may be interested in. Settings. Settings is where you want to come and set up the parameters of privacy and who can share. You want to read these, and we're going to go through these, but I mean, this is where you basically set up the framework of how your Google Plus account is going to operate. So that's it. So now, let's go back to the home page. The center part of the screen, you have a nav bar on the left. The center part here is a display where you're going to see all the posts and the feeds then of the people in the circles that you have. And you can go through here, and a post generally consists of the name of the person posting it, the kind of category of information it covers, and then the rest of it, there is exactly what it is. It's a post that you have different information, links, etc., and so forth. And on the right-hand side, there's a right-hand sidebar. This is where you can choose to get set up or get involved with Hangouts, although you could also do it down here under Hangouts. And it shows you some of the people that you've been interacting with. It allows you here to set up parameters for your Hangouts, etc. So those are the different areas of the graphic user interface of Google+. And how you use them, what you do with them will be the subject of some more videos. So the main Nav Bar up here, a secondary one right below it that shows your circles. This is a drop down for your sidebar, your center screen where you have all your posts and information that you can use to communicate with your friends and the people you're working with, and whomever it is you've selected in your circles. And then on the right hand side here is it's really a notification sidebar that gives you information about who you've been interacting with and how you can get involved with Hangouts. So that is a short primer on Google+. I hope this video has been helpful. This is Clark Lawn Affiliate Starting Line. Stay with it, stay well, and talk soon.